Dear students, welcome to Cramster.
Exponents and powers. Exponent of a number shows how many times we are multiplying a number by itself. Exponent is also known as the power of a number. We will consider an example. If we want to multiply 3 4 times, we will write it as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. We can express the same in an easy way. That is 3 raised to 4. Here 3 is the base and 4 is the exponent. We can say it as 3 to the power of 4 or 3 raised to 4. We will consider another example. If you want to multiply 5 11 times, then how will you write it? 5 into 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 5. Here we have to make sure that we have written 5 11 times. So here there is a chance of making mistake. To avoid that, we can express the same in another way using exponent. How will you write it? We can write it as 5 raised to 11. It means 5 is multiplied 11 times. Here base is 5 and exponent is 11. We can say it as 5 to the power of 11 or 5 raised to 11. Exponents can be a whole number, fraction, negative number or decimal. Negative exponents, decimal exponents and fractional exponents are there in other video. General form of exponents. What is a into a into a? Here a is multiplied by itself 3 times. So we can write it as a raised to 3. Now what if a is multiplied by itself 6 times? It is a raised to 6. Now if a is multiplied by itself n times, what will be the answer? It will be equal to a raised to n. Here a is the base and n is the exponent. We can say it as a to the power of n or a raised to n. Properties of exponents. The properties of exponents or laws of exponents are used to solve problems involving exponents. These properties are also considered as major exponent rules to be followed while solving exponents. The properties of exponents are mentioned below. Law of product. A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Law of quotient. A raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Law of zero exponent. A raised to 0 equal to 1. Law of negative exponent. A raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. Law of power of a power. A raised to m whole raised to n equal to a raised to m into n. Law of power of a product. AB whole raised to m equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. Law of power of a quotient. A by b whole raised to m equal to a raised to m by b raised to m. Laws of exponents are explained in other video.